In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets. By the end, your form responses will flow straight into a spreadsheet, ready to filter, chart, or share with your team. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. From there, navigate to the Typeform website and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the workspace where your form lives, especially if you're part of multiple teams. Once you're in, open the specific form you want to connect. You'll land on the form editor, where you can adjust questions and settings. At the top of the editor, look for the Connect tab. This is where Typeform lists its integrations. Click Connect, and you'll see a gallery of available apps. Scroll or search until you find Google Sheets. When you see it, select it, then choose Connect to begin setting things up. If this is your first time linking Google Sheets to Typeform, a quick authorization flow will appear. Sign into your Google account and allow the requested permissions. These permissions let Typeform create a new spreadsheet for you, or add rows to an existing one. If you manage data for others, it's a good idea to double-check you're using the right Google account and that you have access to the correct drive or shared drive where the sheet should live. After authorization, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account to use. Confirm the account, and Typeform will ask whether you want to create a new spreadsheet or use an existing one. Creating a new sheet is perfect if you want Typeform to set up column headers automatically. If you choose an existing sheet, pick a Clean Worksheet tab to avoid mixing response data with other content. If you're creating a new spreadsheet, give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to locate later in Google Drive. Next, click Create Sheet. Typeform will prepare the spreadsheet and map your questions to column headers. A quick tip: once the integration is live, avoid renaming or deleting those headers, as it can break the mapping between your form and the sheet. Finally, activate the integration. You'll see a confirmation that the connection is on. From now on, every new form submission will appear as a new row in your Google Sheet, including timestamps and answers. If you ever need to pause or adjust the setup, return to the Connect tab for controls and status. That's it. Your Typeform is now connected to Google Sheets and ready to capture responses in real time.